This video is from LaureateDesignLab, School of Design, Art, Architecture, Planning, Consulting and Research. This is step 1. We go to the material. Here we take a material from mental ray, and this material is environment background switcher. After taking that, in background and environment reflection, we apply map. This is simple background map. This is the particular map. After doing this, we go to environment reflection map, but this has to be SDR. After taking this SDR, this material is over. Now step 2, where we take shadow reflection with matte. After taking that, we go to environment. This is the step 3. This JPEG file will be copied to matte, and this particular JPEG environment file coming from the background. Now the final step is going to the viewport. Viewport background, we'll have to switch it on. After switching this on, the background appears on the screen, and finally one has to take render. And this is the final outcome of this tutorial. Now have a look of detailed tutorial ahead. Thank you very much.